What are props in React? Well, the way I like to think of it is as a trash can. A trash can's main goal, main objective is to collect dirt. It doesn't matter where you have the trash can, you can move it from one place to another. Its main goal is to collect dirt. And the only thing that changes is the content in the trash can. The same is true for props. This is exactly what props allows us to do in React. So let's look at an example. So I have a starter code here, which is h1 props, and then we have a button. So let's create a component, a button component, so we can use it anywhere. So I'll just have little template here, then remove this. So I'm using TypeScript, which is why you see type props and then all this stuff. So let me go ahead and delete this and just have button. And here I'll have a two curly braces. So now let's import it here in our app.tsx file. Button. So now we've imported it. So how do we use props? Well, just as in HTML, we can pass in an attribute. We can just pass in content. Just have button. So if we go back to our button.tsx component, to get the value here, we need to specify a type because we're using TypeScript. So we have content, which is going to be of type string. So here we're basically destructuring the content of this type props. So we just do content, and then here we pass in the content. So let's run our code. Yarn dev. So I'm using yarn. So if you're using npm, it's going to be npm run dev. So here we have the button. So now let's try to change it. Let's say we wanted to have a cool button. Go back to our code. You can see. So just as the trash can, this button component has its main objective, which is to serve as a button. And then the only thing that changes is the content of the button, which is what props enables us to do. So we can use this button in any other place and then just change its content. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.